Welcome to our YouTube channel. Today, let's explore the fascinating world of papaya, a tropical delight that not only tantalizes our taste buds, but also boasts a myriad of health benefits. Papaya, scientifically known as carica, is a tall herbaceous plant native to the tropical regions of America, ranging from southern Mexico to Central America. Now, these plants thrive in tropical climates worldwide, showcasing the adaptability of this incredible fruit. To thrive and bear fruit, papayas require a warm climate, making them sensitive to low temperatures. The genus Carica earned its name from Linnaeus, who noted the leaves' resemblance to the common fig, Ficus carica. The Taino word papaya gave birth to the common name papaya, widely used globally, with slight variations. In Australia and some Caribbean countries, you might hear it referred to as pawpaw or pawpaw. It's worth noting that another North American plant, Asimina triloba, also goes by the name pawpaw. In different parts of the world, the papaya is known by various names, such as papaye in French, mamão or papaya in Portuguese, and capanga in Kerala, India. Spanish-speaking regions have diverse names like frutabamba, lacosa, and mamon. Now, let's delve into the characteristics of this remarkable plant. Papaya, resembling a tree without branches, grows herbaceously, with a soft and green stem. The single stem reaches heights of 5 to 10 meters, sporting large leaves that can span 50 to 70 centimeters in width. The fruit, typically oval or nearly round, can be as large as a big pear, measuring 15 to 50 centimeters in length and 10 to 20 centimeters in width, with some weighing up to 9 kilograms. The thin, tough skin changes from green to yellow as the fruit ripens, while the pulp inside exhibits vibrant hues of yellow, orange, pink, or even light red. Numerous small black seeds are nestled within. Now, let's talk about the uses of papaya. Ripe papayas are a delectable treat, enjoyed fresh after peeling and seed removal. They can also be cut into pieces and mixed with other fruits for a delightful fruit salad. In tropical regions, papaya juice is a popular choice, either on its own or blended with milk for refreshing smoothies. In Asian countries, green, unripe papayas are featured in salads, curries, and soups, adding a unique flavor profile. Young leaves and stems can be cooked as a vegetable. Beyond its culinary appeal, papaya is a nutritional powerhouse, providing iron, calcium, vitamins A, B, riboflavin, and an excellent source of vitamin C, ascorbic acid. Interestingly, the latex from green papayas, leaves, and stems contains papain, an enzyme known for breaking down tough meat fibers. This enzyme is a key component in meat tenderizers available in stores. Additionally, papaya seeds, with their peppery taste, make for a fantastic substitute for black peppercorns. So, whether you're indulging in ripe papayas, enjoying green papaya dishes, or exploring the health benefits, the papaya is undoubtedly a versatile and delightful addition to our culinary and nutritional experiences. Stay tuned for more exciting content on our channel, and don't forget to like and subscribe.